not an hour, 2.5 hours north and slightly west to see some cicadas, and well, I guess I picked the right spot. I found this nice state nature preserve in northwestern Illinois, and I figured, oh, there's some cicadas here. Yeah, they're here all right. They are loud. They are really loud.
We found them. Listen.
They are screaming loud.
Well, here we are at this marvelous state nature preserve near Valparaiso, Indiana, and the cicadas are here.
Going about 68 decibels here. So we actually haven't seen a single cicada yet. That's because they're all higher up in the trees and further back in the preserve. First one. Yeah, it's an older guy. Something happened to his back wing there.
Did you get almost eaten alive, buddy?
Yeah, look at all these holes.
Wow.
That's where they burrowed out of the ground. There. Yeah, look at all these holes. They burrowed out of the ground from all these holes here.
There's some corpses, some soldiers from the war. Well, we're getting hotter.
What? Yeah, there's a ton of corpses on the ground, on the trail.
Is he alive or dead?
This guy looks dead.
How about the one next to him? We're checking for survivors.
Oh, he's alive, barely.
Well, we'll keep looking. We'll see. Probably the deeper we go in the forest,
Yeah.
we'll see them.
We would have thought we'd come back here and find a white pine stand.
I know.
Pretty cool. Maybe we'll find a healthy cicada on one of the white pine side. Yeah, so this guy, he's one of the elders. Yeah, this is definitely a very old cicada. Yeah, so one thing I've noticed is that they're like standing on the edge of your finger. Like if I were to move him back here, he'd crawl to the edge of my finger and then just sit there again. So this will probably be my little friend for a little while. Oh, there he goes.
I guess that's a little higher point.
Yeah. I think if I were to rotate this way, see? He always tries to find the highest point.
Alright, well, we'll keep trucking.
I'm talking up.
What are you doing, buddy? He's like, I'm tired of this noise. I can't sleep because of these crazy varmints.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this guy's pretty active. Alright.
The bullfrog is. Yeah, see, your energy has reawakened him. See, he's good. He's good.
He's an active one. Walking stick. As far as I haven't seen many of them flying around.
Our old man tour guide just jumped off of Nathan over there on the branches, but look at all these holes here. See, the more holes you see in the area on the ground, you're gonna find more activity. Like this cool little dude right here.
Alright, let's see. Look at this little guy. See, look, that's a male mosquito.
Hopefully he wasn't biting.
No, it's a male mosquito. He doesn't have a driller.
Well, at least you got to experience your third brood here. Is this what the rainforest in Puerto Rico sounded like?
Not the sound of cicadas, but yeah, it's kind of what it felt like. Yes, there's a lady said that she hasn't found any live ones. But when we saw her, she was moving, like she was really trucking along. Yeah, this guy's already moved a little bit.
He seems just fine. His eyes are nice and red.
Yeah, you can see his pupil. Next year there's going to be a massive brood coming to southern Ohio. So next year we're probably going to do our trip to Shawnee State Forest next year during the peak cicadas. Next year. 2025 we're going to go to Shawnee State Forest and experience brood. I think it's brood 14 is going to be.
Ooh, that's the hawk number too. That's cool. I like that number.
I don't know where this guy's going, but he's going places. I think he wants that leaf down there. No, he's going to turn around. Calling back up my hand. You happy there again? Yeah, there's another. So I think this guy right here has eggs. You can see a little extra sac on the back of her thorax there. Pretty sure she has eggs. This guy's active. He's crawling all over me now. One on my left hand. They're all over me now. Yeah, she was reaching out looking for something to grab onto and put my finger down there and then crawl right up my hand.
That one looks the healthiest yet, the one on your finger. Oh yeah, I can see it. Let me do it. Oh yeah. Huh. That's got a tickle. Yeah, just let him do what he wants. That's good acupuncture for your nervous sensors. Yeah, I think cicadas and humans are good for each other. Oh, you're back. Oh,
yeah, hit the end to turn around.
Yeah.
There you go.
Watch out, buddy.
What?
You want this one? You're calling you?
No, I'm gonna keep moving.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Going out my shirt, or is it on my back?
On your shirt again. You may put them off on the tree. Nathan's got them. They're living on his head now. That's got a tickle. That's good for your Shoshana vortex, though, that good cicada energy. They're literally like trying to grab onto your hair and climb up it. That's funny. They can't quite get a hold on it. They think you're a tree.
One of them flip. One of those back in my shirt.
Yeah. There, you may pick her up and put her on there.
Going great. There we go. See?
well, I'm videoing, but yeah, it's like a scene out of a horror movie, but they shed their exoskeletons as they come out of the ground.
One guy still just kind of sitting here. Oh, this is a really healthy guy right here.
Oh, really? I think he likes being there.
I started cooking. Is I still alive?
I think it is. It just wants to be there, probably. So we're gonna have to make our way out of here.
Yeah, he's hooked on there good. Yeah, that guy doesn't want to be out. He's holding on to that leaf for deal life.
Yeah, that's where he wants to be.
Oh, these guys are latched on there good.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock.
He was holding on to the stick. I picked him up and he started holding on to the stick.
It's funny. He looks healthy.
Yeah, he's a very healthy cicada.
Wow. He's gonna climb under your stick.
He's a pretty good exoskeleton.
Well, keep it. I'll add that to your collection.
Yeah, I'm gonna take one of these ones off the trees. One's off the tree there. All right, so that's gonna fit. So that's gonna finish our time here at Moraine Nature Preserve here, and I don't know what town, Indiana, just really far northwestern Indiana. And yeah, it was cool to come here and see the cicadas. So of course we were here near the end of their cycle, and here we found a cool exoskeleton. We're probably gonna take with us. Actually, this is probably our last live guy we're gonna see in here. See, there's one more good healthy cicada down there to go look at. She's just sort of, see how it's just attached to the bottom of the tree there. Yeah. So overall, the cicadas here are very, very healthy. There's very clearly a very healthy population in this forest. Because as soon as we entered, we heard them. They are actually pretty loud. They're not super loud, because like if you come to this forest at the very peak of the cicadas, it's gonna be almost loud enough where if you're 10 plus feet apart from the other person, you're just talking at a normal talking volume, you're not gonna be able to hear the other person because of how loud they can be. Yeah, it's gonna conclude our time here, and until next time. There's one more cicada down there.
There it is.
Yep, that's the one. I'm talking. You see that? Holy crap. Oh.
Oh, there's a butterfly. Look.
These guys are peaking at about. These guys are peaking between 75 and 80 decibels. Where's he at? He's talking. One of them was talking. Where's he at? Alright, where's he at? There he is. Freaking focus. I have a talker right here.